Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to get and use a Photoshop-like tool for free. It's completely legal, legitimate, and works on both Windows and Mac. No downloads required. Sounds great, right? Let's get started. Step 1. Grab your computer and open any web browser. I'm using Brave for this demonstration, but any browser will work just fine. In the address bar, type in photop.com and hit Enter. This will take you directly to the Photopea website. Once there, click on the Start Using Photopea button. Photopea is an incredibly powerful online tool that replicates Adobe Photoshop's interface and functionality. You can upload your own files by clicking Open from Computer, or use one of the supported file types listed at the bottom of the page. Let me show you how simple it is. I'll click New Project to create a new file. Here you can customize the dimensions and settings, or choose from a variety of presets. For example, I'll select YouTube cover and click Create, and just like that you have a blank canvas ready to go, just like in Photoshop. On the left-hand side you'll find all the familiar tools, and at the top you'll see menus like File, Edit, and more. It's essentially Photoshop in your browser, and it's completely free. Now, you might be wondering, is this legal? The answer is yes. Photopea was created by talented developers who wrote their own code to build this Photoshop-like experience. It's not affiliated with Adobe, and it's supported by ads, which is why it's free to use. If you're using Google Chrome, you might notice some ads on the right-hand side of the screen. They're not too intrusive, but if they bother you, you can use an ad blocker or switch to an ad-free browser like Brave. Either way, there are no annoying pop-ups to worry about. And that's it. You now have access to a Photoshop-like tool for free on your Mac or PC. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.